Hello, crafty friends. This is Anya General with Ink, Paper, Scissors. Today, I'm so excited to walk you through a beautiful card design featuring butterflies, foiled details, and just a touch of sparkle. A few days ago, I posted a video where I unboxed the Gina K Designs Fuse foiling machine and shared tons of foiling techniques and inspiration. If you haven't seen it yet, don't worry. I'll link that video in the description below and at the end of this one so you can check it out. With so many stunning foiled pieces ready to go, I thought this was the perfect opportunity to create a quick and elegant card to share with you. I can't wait to show you how it all comes together. Let's get crafting. First up, I started by die cutting some sentiments. This step is always fun because it sets the tone for the card. I chose a simple, elegant sentiment to keep the focus on the intricate butterfly details we'll be adding later. For today's card, we'll be using the Gina K Designs Wonderfully Made stamp set along with the Master Layouts 2 die set. Next, I moved on to stamping the butterfly. For this, I used white cardstock, my trusty Mini Misty tool, and VersaFine Onyx Black ink. The Mini Misty is a game changer for achieving that perfect stamped impression. And the VersaFine ink gives such a rich, crisp look. Once I had the butterfly stamped, I couldn't help but love how clean and detailed it turned out. My paper is slightly larger than an A2 size panel. Then I die cut the stamped butterfly image using this small stitched rectangle die from the Gina K Master Layouts 2 set. This die adds such a nice polished edge to the panel, it's one of my go-to tools. Next, I'm die cutting the layered rectangle from dark blue cardstock. Additionally, I'll be using the largest rectangle die from the Master Layouts 2 set to cut another piece from the same dark blue cardstock. Then I'm taking my foiled butterfly background and die cutting it using the larger stitched rectangle. With all of my die cutting complete, it's time to assemble the card. First, I'm gluing the foiled butterfly background to the large dark blue layering piece. Then I'm adhering the white butterfly panel to its dark blue layering rectangle. Finally, I'm attaching the assembled foiled background to an A2 card base, which measures 4¼ inches by 5½ inches. Next, I'm taking some blue fun foam and trimming it to match the size of the smaller rectangle. This will add dimension to the centerpiece of my card. I'm gluing the fun foam to the back of the butterfly panel and then attaching the panel to the background. For the sentiment, I'm using foam squares for added height and adding a bit of glue on top of the foam. This gives me a few seconds to adjust the placement before it sets permanently. The final touch is adding some green gems to the card. I'm placing 3 gems in a rectangular shape for a subtle sparkle. And just like that, my card is complete. Thank you so much for watching and spending your time with me today. I hope this video inspires you to create something beautiful. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps. I'd also love for you to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you'll know whenever I post another video. If there's something specific you'd like to see on my channel, feel free to let me know in the comment section below. As promised, I've linked the foiling video for you, so be sure to check it out. Thank you again and have a wonderful, blessed day.